another nice sustainable fire. This fire was started with birch bark as the tinder, paper birch that did not need any scraping whatsoever. The fire lay is a log cabin along with an upside down. So this fire is burning very hot right now, as you can tell from the coloration of the fire. It's yellow. It's very hot. It's going to produce some nice coals. And again, guys, the four cores of bushcrafting includes fire. Again, shelter, fire, food, and water. But this fire did not require any splitting of wood. I basically used a saw with this to saw the wood, and that was about it. There was not a need to use an axe or a hatchet. But again, the only thing used on this was a Baco Expert. To saw the wood, along with Swiss Tech stalling. If you notice, it does have an indentation for a ferrocim rod that it comes with, and the ferrocim rod is not large at all. It is very small, but the ferrocim rod gets the job done. So again, a ferrocim rod, Swiss Tech, stalling, and a Baco Expert created this fire. Again, a sustainable fire, tinder. You need combustion, tinder, kindling, fuel, and air. That will provide you with a sustainable fire. This is the Virginia Bushcrafter. Stay safe, everyone.